Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is a market update for Tuesday, July 27, 2021. Today I will take a little bit of time to talk about a cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin and Ethereum. As you know that the Bitcoin shot above the 40,000 for the first time in nearly 6 weeks on Monday as the momentum turned bullish following a recent sell-up with the rumor that Amazon will accept Bitcoin later this year and Elon Musk will accept the Bitcoin again. So, but doesn't matter what you hear from Jack Dorsey or Elon Musk or Cathy Wood based on the fundamental news. If you have been following me on my YouTube channel, I'll show you when the market hit the top and I show you when the market get to the bottom many weeks ahead based on the technical analysis. So as you can see here, look at the chart here. So after many weeks they come down to the buy zone. So this level here we have been drawn for you many weeks ahead. So when the Bitcoin get into this area here, they turn around and find a way to push it back up. So if you so right now the question here is how far we can go from here. So this is the first level, they found support. So on the way up, definitely we will have some resistance on the top. So this is the first level of resistance, second level of resistance, so that you can manage your trade and then and push it to the upside again. And if you look at the Ethereum, it also bullish after they get back to the buy zone, and now they try to find a way to push it back up. As you know that trading is a very risky business. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. If you don't know it, it's very dangerous. That's why as Stock Navigator, we will help you to learn and understand how to read the price action on the chart by using a modern technical analysis and understand the crowd psychology combined with the pattern recognition and money management so that you can trade with the high probability of winning. But we understand it's very hard for you to know everything by yourself overnight. So we will mentor and support you every day until you are successful. And we will guide you in our live Discord daily so that you can follow along and you can ask and see how the price action in real time. This is the only way that you can manage your own financial future. So I hope that you take this opportunity and invest in your education so that you can learn and how to read the price action on the chart. So as you know that we are heading to the busy earnings season. The market is a little bit volatile, roller coaster, up and down every day. But overall trend is still bullish. So we will stick with uptrend. So if you look at the SP 500 right now, so today they put it back down a little bit, but and then they try to hold up and turn around again. So the momentum is still into the upside. And if you look at the Nasdaq, it's very similar. So after they pull back down, they found support and push it back up again. The Dow it also pull it back, but again they come right back up. So the momentum is still there for the uptrend. The Russell 2000 is that the only one that still sideways choppy. That's why you see that a lot of small cap stock, they are going nowhere. They still stuck into the rainbow here. And if you look at today, the volatility pick up a little bit, so that's why you see the market it pull down, and after that they hit the resistance and then they slam it down again. So no problem there at this moment. And you look at the 10-year treasury note, it also continue to going down, so that will put more pressure on the bank, but it's good for the technology stock. Okay, so right now you have to watch out. So don't try to buy it a lot of stock. Don't try to buy it the day before the earning because it's hard to predict. You know, a lot of them would come out with a good earning, it's still going down. So don't try to be a gambler, and that is very hard for you to make money on the day before the earning announcement. If you look at the crude oil, it also they found a support, they go up, they go sideways. So you know, after they go sideways here, probably if they can clear this resistance here, they will continue to the upside there. And gold, it also push it up, found a support, and they try to put up some momentum here. Tomorrow they can get up, and then they can push it up again. So Basically, if you look at the 11 sector of the S&P 500, some of them are doing okay, but some of them are still have a problem. So the material still try to get back up here, but they still need a lot of work. Try to reclaim the Dow trend line here, but they still have a lot of resistance in this area there. Another sector that we have to watch out at the energy sector is very weak here. They still stay in a low bow here. They try to bow back up, but the overall trend is still very bearish. The financial sector is also try to find a support here. So right now they go sideways, so they need to clear this area here in order to continue for the bull side. Another sector in industrial to try to get up, but I think that they wait for the White House to clear the infrastructure deal there. If that deal turn out to be okay, and then before they can put it up to the upside again. So a couple of sectors are still doing pretty well. The technology stock they pull back down, but they found support and put it back up again. Consumer stable is still doing very well, and they still continue to put it upside there. The real estate is also doing well with a low interest rate right now. And another sector that we look at that the utility sector also turned out to be very strong today when the market went down, and this stock tried to turn up. And the healthcare is also doing pretty well. Okay, so I'll take a look some stock in this sector so that we can see how they're doing here. So first of all, let's take a look on the Fangman stock here to see how they are doing. So the Apple, after earning, they have a good earning. They beat the earning, but they are right at the sell zone. So people, they take the profit right away at the sell zone. So they put some pressure for the Apple right now. The Amazon is also get back, hit to the sell zone, they come right back down. The Facebook is now good earning, but people will take profit also. So the Google is that the only one that still hang tight to the upside. They put back down, but after hour, I think they are going up on a good earning. Microsoft would also have a good earning, but people took profit also. Okay, and the Netflix is still sideways choppy. They go in between the rainbow here. Okay, so but the utility sector is doing very well. And a couple of stocks that I give it to you over the weekend, NCP. So this one is continue to rumble to the upside. The UK Duke Energy also pretty strong and continue to put it up. Okay, so a couple of stocks there you see that they're doing extremely well. All right, and Dominion Energy also tried to break out to the upside. XLP with a consumer stable, some stock in that sector is still doing well. As you can see that the Procter & Gamble here, Coca-Cola, okay, Pepsi, they are still hang tight to the upside, and Walmart also try to put it up also. And the healthcare, as you can see that a lot of stock in the healthcare like mRNA, okay, especially the virus vaccine is still doing okay. They up and down, but overall trend is still bullish. MRK, Merck, that one is also try to stabilize here. They're looking forward to put it up to the upside again. And Johnson Johnson, that's another vaccine. They try to break out this area here and continue to push it up to the upside. A couple of stocks that you look at pretty strong on the bottom fishing, but they hit to the level of resistance, so you have to be careful. It's like a lot of Roku stock, they hit here, but they hit to the sell zone, so people took profit immediately. Or PayPal, that also get the problem at the sell zone also. Okay, so other than that, the couple of sectors that you should focus on, okay, and don't try to jump around. especially on the earning season here. Some stock doing well, but some stock but not doing well. We don't know which one, but it's very risky for you try to guess. So if you don't know, then stay outside. Especially some stock they already run up for a while. You don't try to chase it because you think that their earning is good and you jump in, it will wipe you out. Okay. So beside these stocks, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist premium watchlist, where we will handpick about 5 stocks every week and analyze in detail with the entry, stop loss, and a target so that you can follow. I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please click the thumb up, like button, or any suggestion. Please let me know on the comment below. Again, thank you for watching. Happy and good luck in your trading. I will see you during the week. Take care, everyone.